So hey guys, welcome back in our new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you make your own custom scroll bar with HTML and CSS only. As you can see here, it's looking very beautiful as I have used hover effect with some gradients color which make it very beautiful. And believe me guys, this is very simple. You can make it only few lines of code. So let's begin the code. So for that I am using here VS Code editor and I am creating a new file and let name it scrollbar, and I am saving this file with scrollbar1.html because I have already created a file with scrollbar. That's why I am adding here one scrollbar1.html. Begin the first code. So first of all, write the HTML syntax, and in title I am giving a title custom scroll bar with HTML and CSS, and I'm going to use internal CSS in this file, so I am creating a style tag also in head tag. So we'll see in this video custom scroll bar in a particular div, particular container, or and we'll see custom scroll bar in a home page also. So first of all, I am going to teach you how can you make a custom scroll bar in particular div. So first create a div with class, and I am adding some dummy content so that a scroll bar can be visible. As you can see here, no, I have not added any CSS, so it's looking something like this. And let add some CSS effect. After that, what will be changes here? We are giving this div with 60%, background color gray, and adds border to px solid violet, height 400 px. Now you can see here a scroll bar is showing now, and we have to customize it with CSS effect. So let's do it, because we are customizing a scroll bar only in particular div, so that's why we are taking class name here and webkit scroll bar. Webkit scroll bar, here we are giving a scroll bar with a 10 px webkit scroll bar track. I'm sure many of you don't know what is a scroll bar track, so first let me clear. This is the track in which the scroll bar is running. This is called track, so we are changing the scroll bar track color here. I am going to give a scroll bar track color as white border to px solid red. And now it's time to change the color of a scroll bar thumb. But before this, let me clear what is a scroll bar thumb. So you can see here the scroll bar which we are running, this is called the scroll bar thumb. We have get a scroll bar thumb, background linear gradient. I'm going to give this scroll bar thumb background color as linear gradient. Let's refresh the page and see the changes here. Guys, you can see here it's looking very beautiful, and I'm going to use some hover effect so that it can look more beautiful. So for that, again come back here and in thumb add hover, and the hover change color according to your. Save it and let's refresh the page and see the changes. Guys, now you can see here the hover effects is looking very beautiful. So guys, now you can also make your own custom scroll bar